So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay and I am back today with of course another synthetic wig review. Now for this wig review I was going to do all 5 wigs that I got from this company, but I've only received one so far, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this one out of the way and then you guys stay tuned for the other video for the other wigs. But a company by the name of, I think it's KALYSS on Amazon, reached out to me, asked me to pick out 5 different colors of the same wig. So this one that I'm going to be reviewing today, I think it's like the brown blonde one. So we are going to be reviewing this one. She's long, of course. So we're going to get into details about this. I'm going to show you guys the construction of the wig, then let you guys know some details about the wig and how I feel about it. So if you are interested in hearing and seeing about all of that, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 2 combs, one in the center front and one in the center back. It also has an adjustable strap, and in the back it is a breathable cap. Now, all right, so again, this is from the KALYSS store on Amazon. This is their 28-inch silky long straight brown wig with blonde highlights. It is a synthetic wig and it does have bangs, of course. It retails for $19.99. It's not much else information for you guys. It is a pull-on, pull-off wig, so very quick and easy on the go. The other colors that I will be receiving is burgundy, red, copper red, and black. So I will be reviewing those as well and showing you guys how those look. It'll be a very similar video to this, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, she is a little bit tangly. Nothing to be surprised about because it is synthetic. There was a little shedding from brushing her out. Aside from it's a little flat up here, a little hump up here, but aside from that, it's a nice color. I like how it's brown with the little blonde highlights, are really cute. The bangs are a little flat, but nothing, you know, too bad. But yeah, she is really cute. So I'm going to thank KALYSS for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the color and the style, all of that stuff. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.